Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing an Earth Day guided meditation to just help you get in touch with the energy of the Earth and to show your appreciation to the Earth and to Mother Nature and to Mother Earth for all the wonderful support and energy that she provides. For those who have been watching my videos, welcome back. I appreciate the support. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, and seeing how it can support you in your practical life situations. And today we're going to be doing a guided meditation to connect us to the earth. And the gemstone I'm going to use today is mahogany obsidian. It's a brown and black stone, and this one really just reminds me of earth. But there are a lot of gemstones that you can use that have a really deep connection to the earth element, and they are all of the black gemstones. So black tourmaline, onyx, obsidian, smoky quartz, Apache tears, the whole obsidian family, like rainbow obsidian, snowflake obsidian, but also brown stones as well, like septarian and Kambaba jasper. And those are both stones that have fossilized aspects to them. They are like as old as the earth itself. Those really provide a deep connection with the earth as well. But in general, even if you just had a stone that you picked up on a hike and you have a really good connection to, that will do wonderful during this guided meditation today. So if you have your gemstone, the next thing that you'll need is a comfortable seat. And I'm inside today, but I highly recommend, if you can, just going outside and sitting directly on the earth, just having this playing in headphones, or if there's nobody around you, you can just have it playing out loud on your device, and just really having a direct connection with the earth during this meditation today. So if you have your gemstone and you have your comfortable seat, you just need to be able to sit comfortably and alert for about 10 minutes. Then let's begin. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And notice how it feels to breathe today. Your breathing brings you into the present moment, to the here and now, and your connection to the earth. And bring your awareness to those parts of your body that are touching your cushion or the floor or the direct earth beneath you. If you are sitting on earth, are you sitting on grass or dirt or sand? And feel how that connection feels to you. And remember that you are sitting on the entire earth. That you're sitting right over the center of the earth, and you have the entire mass of Mother Earth supporting you right now. And it's always supporting you. whether you remember it or not. The earth is always with you. You can always access it. It may be a little bit more difficult if you're in a tall building or in a plane, but it is still close by. And you always have access to the energy of the earth, which is incredibly healing. If you're feeling down, if you're feeling low, if you're feeling lethargic, then coming outside barefoot and connecting with the earth, she will easily give you that energy. All you have to do is invite it in. So imagine now as you're sitting, even if you're sitting in a chair, imagining a bright white light coming up from deep within the earth, like roots that are growing up through the earth and into your feet. Can you imagine this connection of the earth energy to your feet? Can you feel it? It can feel like a warmth or a tingling. And then imagine this energy flowing up to fill your entire body. Notice if there's any changes in the way that you feel physically or energetically after filling yourself up with this earth energy. Do you notice any changes? Let's just sit with this earth energy, absorbing as much energy as we can take. And don't worry about taking too much, because it will naturally stop when you have enough. Let's sit for a minute. And then take a few moments to thank the earth for this energy. Just sending out your appreciation. Doesn't even have to be in words, but a sense of gratitude to the earth. And then sensing any plant life around you, the grass, bushes, trees, which is all part of the earth. And it provides us with clean air and shade and a sense of stability around us, sense of life, the beauty of the flowers, and just sending out your appreciation to the plant life around you. And sending out appreciation to the entire globe for providing a home for everyone to live. Providing water and air and all the earthly environment. Sending out your appreciation. And then releasing any excess energy back down into the earth. And releasing this imagery. And just coming back to your breathing. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today for this opportunity to connect with the earth and send the earth our thanks. And you can use this guided meditation whenever you feel like you need more energy or more connection to the earth, or you just want to be out and connect with nature, pull up more energy from the earth. You can use this at any time. And I thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you want more guided meditations with crystals, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any gemstone videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.